Hey everyone, welcome back to another video in our channel. Today in this video I'll show you how can you easily pin a comment on Instagram. The process is very easy, so follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, of course, to have no trouble in the app, go ahead and make sure the Instagram application is updated. After that, quit the store and let's open Instagram now. Of course, you have to be logged into your account, and you can only pin comments that are done on your profile or on your posts. So go to your profile by tapping the profile picture in the bottom right corner, and in your posts, go ahead and open the comment section. Now, once you open the comment section, choose the comment that you want to pin and simply tap and hold on that comment just like this, and then tap on pin. And after a couple of seconds, the comment will be pinned and will always be shown on top of the other comments on your posts. Now, if you change your mind and you want to unpin it, tap and hold on it again, and then this time tap on unpin again, wait for a couple of seconds, and voila, that is how can you pin and unpin a comment on your posts on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.